One of the biggest cities in America, Los Angeles, is home to some of the tallest structures in the world. Its skyline is ranked 5th in the United States and 1st in the Pacific Coast region. For today's video, I'll walk you through the top 10 tallest buildings in LA. So sit back, relax, and watch the video till the end. But before that, kindly show some support through subscribing to this channel and smashing that notification bell beside it to be updated whenever we post new videos. Number 10. City National Plaza at 700 feet. A prime example of the corporate international style, which first appeared in the 1970s and has since served as the inspiration for numerous office buildings in downtown LA, is City National Plaza, formerly known as Arco Towers and Plaza. The complex also has an underground mall, which at the time of its construction was said to be the biggest underground shopping mall in the country. The mall was renovated in 2004, and the lower floor was turned into parking. It now primarily serves as a food court. The original striped design of mirrors and vibrantly colored subway tile is still present in the interior escalator bays. Number 9. Figueroa at Wilshire at 717 feet. The property is a 52-story Class A office building with a prominent location at the key crossroads of Figueroa Street and Wilshire Boulevard. It was finished in 1990 and is situated at 601 South Figueroa Street. It has excellent visibility and access to and from the Harbor Freeway. The most prestigious prize in the commercial real estate sector, BOMA's International Building of the Year, was given to Figueroa at Wilshire. Number 8. Wells Fargo Tower at 720 feet. This building is a 217-story structure constructed close to the new U.S. Embassy by Wells Fargo and Company. Executives and state and local government officials celebrated the $300 million project where 5,000 people now work on that used to be 2 parking lots, an outdoor event on Wednesday in sweltering heat. The building's impressive entrance on 6th Street is a 4-story addition to the main tower that is capped by a 100-foot-tall glass rotunda. Chandeliers in the rotunda and elevator lobbies, bronze inscriptions honoring Minnesota's industries on the main floor, and cast rails on 2nd-story balconies are just a few examples of the reused ancient building components. Number 7. 777 Tower at 725 feet. This tower, the 7th tallest high-rise in LA, rises from the intersection of South Figueroa and West 8th Streets, and, by all rights, ought to resemble a monstrous mass of a structure. Instead, it is an elegant, lightweight tower made of off-white steel and glass that smoothly pierces the city's skyline. Before we move on, make sure to like the video and leave a comment. Number 6. Bank of America Plaza at 735 feet. The square-shaped tower, which faces the border streets at 45-degree angles and is positioned diagonally across the site. It offers uninterrupted views in all directions. Furthermore, it uses a structural design of the super column variety. Each tower face and each corner of the central core are supported vertically and wind-braced by 2 enormous columns, each 8 feet square at the base. A sizable spire made of several closely spaced horizontal tubes sits atop the streamlined vertical tower and houses the cooling tower, elevator penthouses, and other mechanical components. The spire is internally lit at night, giving LA skyline a softly illuminating beacon. Thanks to a combination of high-efficiency fixtures and occupant-controlled lighting in office spaces, the gas company tower also has an Energy Star score of 92. Number 5. Gas Company Tower at 749 feet. This tower is a Class A office skyscraper with 52 stories, was constructed in 1991 atop Bunker Hill in the heart of Los Angeles. The Southern California Gas Company's headquarters are housed in a structure that is situated on 5th Street between Olive and Grand Avenue, just across from the Biltmore Hotel. Due to its position, large hotels, shopping malls, entertainment venues, and cultural sites are all easily accessible. At Gas Company Tower, building occupants reduced their traditional commute by 80.52% when compared to LEED baseline. The building's proximity to Grand Central Market and significant transit hubs lessens the need for building tenants to commute every day and travel by car for meals. Number 4. 2 California Plaza at 750 feet. A 750-foot skyscraper called 2 Cal, originally known as 2 California Plaza, is located in the Bunker Hill neighborhood of downtown LA. 1 California Plaza and 2 California Plaza, two distinctive skyscrapers that make up the California Plaza project, include the tower, the Los Angeles Omni Hotel, Colburn School of Performing Arts, Los Angeles Museum of Contemporary Art, and a 1.5-acre water court are all located at the plaza. Moreover, California Plaza is a 10-year, $1.2 billion project. The 2 California Plaza Tower was begun in 1983 and finished in 1992 after a severe downturn in the downtown Los Angeles real estate market. Only 30% of the tower's space was leased when it first debuted, while the total vacancy rate for office space in the downtown area was close to 25%. Before large tall structures were erected in LA once more, it has been almost 10 years. Number 3. AON Center at 860 feet. In the heart of downtown LA, at 707 Wilshire Boulevard, stands the modernist office tower known as the AON Center. It was finished in 1973 and has 62 floors. It is a rectangular, black building with a white border that Charles Luckman designed. For a skyscraper in a seismically active location, its form is unusually thin. The top of the building features the red emblem of its main tenant, the AON Corporation. Unfortunately, on May 4, 1988, soon after 10 p.m., a fire that started on the 12th level spread to 5 other floors, destroyed them, and injured 40 people, and claimed the life of 1 maintenance worker. Due to workmen cutting off the pipes feeding the fire sprinkler system, which was being built at the time, the fire was severe. At 2:19 a.m., the fire was finally extinguished. The building needed 4 months to be repaired after the fire, which cost $50 million in damages. The incident also led to changes in LA building standards that mandated the installation of fire sprinklers in all high-rise buildings. This changed a law from 1974 that only required fire sprinkler systems in brand new structures. Number 2. U.S. Bank Tower at 1,018 feet. Due to its close physical and historical ties to the 1926 Central Library across the street, this 73-story skyscraper was first referred to as the Library Tower. The structure was specifically created by Henry N. Cobb of the renowned international firm Pay Cobb Freed and Partners to complement the library without dominating it. The round high-rise is built on 2 concentric geometries, one circular and the other made of right angles, and it has 4 lofty setbacks that lead to a glass crown that shines brightly at night. Last but not the least is number 1, Wilshire Grand Center at 1,100 feet. At 1,100 feet, the Wilshire Grand Center changed the city's skyline when it debuted on June 2017. It was constructed on the site of the former Wilshire Grand Hotel in downtown LA. The project is being created for both Hanjin International and Korean Airlines, and the building was designed by A.C. Martin. Along with other facilities, it features a brand new upscale hotel, office buildings, and retail locations. Most especially, the tower's sail-shaped crown, which is lighted by LED, is a distinctive design element. It is accompanied with a spire and a base of illuminated glass. The tower is the first structure in LA to have a dome-shaped curving roof, as opposed to the usual flat roof found on the majority of the city's skyscrapers. The skyscraper stands out from the granite structures around it with its glassy exterior. What do you think about the tallest buildings in LA? Let me know your answers in the comments section below. Well, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to be updated whenever we post new videos. If you want more videos like this, you can always check out our other videos by visiting our channel. Again, this is the Luxe Luxury channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.